Welcome back to this week's What in the Shop. This is week 3 and we are going to get straight into it. First off, we got this beautiful Mercedes. This is this really nice green color. I've never even seen it. It definitely needs a paint correction, but aside from that, the paint color looks good. But on this car, we're going to be doing tint on the 2 front side windows and then also a strip across the windshield. So we're going to get that knocked out and then we are going to move on to our first car of Wednesday. Now moving on, we're about halfway through the week. We've knocked out about 5 cars so far. And this is the next project I want to show you. We got it pulled in. It is a brand new C8 Z06. And so we got it washed. We did a paint correction, ceramic coating, and I'm actually standing here with the final result. So let me show you how it turned out. Needless to say, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is brand new. It has 500 miles on it. It was just picked up probably about a week or 2 ago. I don't remember exactly. But this is this really nice gray color. It's got the yellow calipers to match as a nice accent color. Now this client had another C8 before this. It was not the Z06, it was the base model or the Grand Sport, but he had it ceramic coated and needless to say, the company he wasn't very happy with the work. So thankfully he trusted us to get the job done right, and this thing, I mean, it just turned out absolutely phenomenal. Paint is in perfect condition, the gloss is just unreal. Everything looks perfect, I mean, even the rims, let's take a look at those. Beautiful. And I think these look to be special style rims. They're very nice looking. So everything looks great. We did again, if you're familiar, we did a 1-step correction on all of the paint. That's going to get out any swirls, scratches, and also any waxes or sealants that were applied. And then for the actual ceramic coating, we do everything. We do all the paint, all the trim, all the glass, all the plastics, which this car doesn't have that much of. And then we also do the rims. So we aim to do every single surface, make sure the full car is protected, because why not? You're already getting the car worked on, might as well go the full 9 yards, no shortcuts. We also did a ceramic coating on the interior. Now what is that going to be? It is going to be, we did the seats, center console, high touch points is what we like to call them. So the door panels, steering wheel, pretty much everywhere on the inside of the car. And that's going to keep it protected, keep it easy to clean. Easy to clean is really the big one when doing interiors, but it's also going to keep the leather in nice conditions. You know how leather is, it can get a little bit finicky when you start spilling stuff on it. And then my personal favorite, the 670 horsepower. Never gets old. So that is the C8 Z06 project. Let me show you the last one I'm going to show you for the week. It is a Mazda CX-90. All right, I got the CX-90 in front of me right here. It's currently Saturday. It's actually July 4th. We did work a bit of a half day today. It's about 1 p.m. We're all done, ready to go home, so I'm gonna enjoy the night, don't worry. But let me show you around this CX-90 that we did. So here it is. This car is brand new, pretty much like just almost everything that rolls in here. But it's got this really nice blue color, and it's honestly, it's kind of a little bit harder to see in here, but when you see this outside, it's like super blue. So it looks really good. It's got this nice flake in it, and the paint is in just absolutely perfect condition. The reason being we did a paint correction on it. We did a paint correction, ceramic coating, we did window tint, pretty much everything that people do to their new cars when they bring it in, if they're not doing PPF, that is. But yeah, so this is a paint correction, ceramic coating. If you don't already know, paint correct everything before we ceramic coat it. Ceramic goes on the wheels, paint, plastics, glass, everything pretty much. All the surfaces on the outside of the car we get done, because why would not do everything if you're already doing most of the work? Might as well just finish it off and do the whole car while you're at it. We also did window tint. Nothing too dark. This client didn't really want dark tint, so we did just clear over the back glass, really just for the heat rejection. We did 50% on the front side windows, and then we did 70 on the front windshield, which is also clear. And then he has a dual sunroof up here, so we did both panels of that, again in clear. So really not darkening it at all, really just protecting from heat. That was the main focus for this client, so you know we had to deliver. So everything turned out really good. These rims look really nice. I love the black rims. A lot of these cars have the silver wheels. I'm personally a black wheel kind of guy, so I think these look a lot nicer. The whole car is blacked out, so in my opinion, I love when they black out these SUVs. One thing I want to show you, something pretty cool about this car, is look how far this back door opens. These are like the, I think like they call them the 85-degree doors. I mean, that's almost fully straight open, so super easy to get in and out of. Great family car. It's a 3-row as well, so I thought that was pretty neat. But other than the car, don't have too many updates for you. We did get rid of the, if you've seen any of our past videos, we had loads of extra tiles over here, so we got rid of most of them, a couple spares just in case. We also got these, which will be really handy. These are just some ramps so we can put the cars up on. It elevates it about like 10 to 12 inches, I think it said. So when we're doing these front end PPF jobs, as you can see, I mean, before we would be on these little chairs rolling around, you kind of have to hunch over quite a bit. So with having these ramps, it'll make it a lot easier for us to be able to sit up a lot straighter, because the front end will be much higher, especially on the lowered sports cars. All of the, we actually have a Corvette coming in about 2 weeks for full body PPF, so this is gonna make our time a lot easier on the front and rear bumpers, just being able to put it up on these ramps. Well, that wraps it up for this week. We pretty much got our whole schedule booked out for next week, and we do have some fun stuff coming up, and there's one car in particular I am super excited to see, but we'll keep that a secret. So make sure to tune in next week, and until then, happy 4th, guys.